Do you want a pair of gloves so in case the worm touches?
Yeah.
There's some back there, different sizes, and I think the extra large are up here in the front. Just because you got to put your finger on one end.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. She's apologizing to the worms. I like that.
So we had to scoop it up, right? Try the other end. Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God, come back. It's hard, ain't it? Yeah.
Okay. So I'm trying to scoop it up, right?
So squeeze the ball. And then suck him in, like let the ball up. And like get right by the head of his head.
I can't do it. Like, yeah, one, yeah.
And I have old eyes, so I ain't seeing it.
Together.
And to see all the water
Oh,
goes out.
hold on, not deeper. Okay.
Sometimes if you use the thinner one,
Is it going in? Come on.
suck him up into one of those.
Is he in it?
And then the thin one is
Wait, he's moving. I
like,
see him moving.
dump, get that one out, yeah. You might have to suck some water up.
No, come on, little guy.
They're still in there.
It's on the side.
Yeah, he's on the side.
Oh my god. There you go, there you go.
No, it's not inside of it.
How did they get out?
You gotta plug it in, yeah, back into there, because it's coming out.
Back in
Oh
there.
yeah, sure, you don't want to really plug it till you see the worm in it.
Wait, I feel like it is. Oh, it's in
It goes right back. 'Cause it's-
nice one.
Oh my God, but he's in there, he's in there. He didn't escape, he didn't escape.
Maybe it's a little too big for this one.
That's teamwork right there, teamwork. Okay, turn on the microscope, the stage, the white, the lowest.
Smaller one.
Have you counted it?
Mom, we're squishing him.
Oh, don't tell me he's.
No, you have to count it.
Okay, can go back out.
He's stuck?
Don't tell me he's
The lowest, you gotta be
Still in there.
Okay.
Can you get him like half out? Oh, fam.
Here, you want to try this one? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to try getting this one. Okay. Square out this water here. Okay. Let me try getting one
Yeah,
of
it'll
these.
move, you just gotta move the capillary tube.
Oh, it's going on the side again. On the side again? Okay, there it go.
Give the worm more water.
Yeah, come on.
We're like waterboarding him.
Just use the restroom.
It's going on the side again.
Yeah, it is.
There's no time. So just get one.
Sometimes it's good to suck them up in the when you're trying to put them in the capillary tube with the thinner one. But you could try it. It's not. Oh, and using gravity. Did it go? No.
No, they keep on going to the side.
It don't. That's why, because the hole's bigger there. Try to suck him up into this. And I mean, now he's like
Is he still in
dry.
there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Suck some water up and push him back into the. Yeah. Just push him back in there, and then suck him up in this one.
Okay.
Because then it matches. There's not enough room for him to like hide.
Oh, all this water.
Oh, you got him. He's way up there in the bulb.
Okay.
Because it kind of fits almost. Perfect fit. And there's like no room. So then it can.
It is, yeah.
Just squirt him out. Yep. As he's coming down.
I think it's, yeah.
He's there. Oh. They're like, oh, yes. Oh, he's hanging out. Okay, but
Oh,
he's hanging out. That's okay. Get him in there. Get him in there. Come on, little wormy. Get in there. You don't want to. Oh my God, half of him's hanging out.
okay.
Oh yeah, she's got worm.
Get him some air on the other side of the tube.
There we go.
Oh yeah, tap, tap, tap. Make it come down a
Get
little
him on
bit.
the other. Okay.
Woo, you're worm wrangling. See that when you use that one, so leave
Now
one of
what?
those real thin ones for spring water, and then the others will be the sugar.
Yeah, now what?
Yeah. Now you gotta go do his pulse rate.
Okay.
And somebody, once you can see it, and you get
How
the
do we do that?
with the microscope.
Yeah, do we have to plug it in?
Yeah, plug it in and turn it here. Come on, I'll help you. I don't know why they unplugged it. Jeez, they really cleaned their station. They were like, let's even unplug the microscope. That was extra right there. Okay. All right. Okay, lowest aperture because it doesn't like light. Ready? And you just take the capillary tube, and you can see him in there. So you want to put him over, right? Like, you know, the lens area, and then your lowest. Yeah, when you're ready to time, you want to like get him so you can see. Oh, it's pretty good.
I mean, they've been quiet.
He is folded up on himself, but that's okay. You can focus in on one part of his body, and then look for that contraction, right? Where his body, there's like, it's not good to look at the tail because there's a lot of times the blood doesn't go all the way down to the tail. You see it? And so if you want to count, you just have to have somebody ready to time for 1 minute, and you're going to count how many times you see that thing push and contract that muscle in 1 minute, and that's his pulse rate for 1 minute. You want to see it? Or he's going to count and you're going to time? Yeah, whatever you need so you don't mess up.
Once the timer starts.
Wait, show that timer?
Let him look in and see where the blood is. Focus it on the,
Oh, no. Okay, no.
just focus in on one part of his little body and how many times you see that push. I'm taking a film and we're coughing. It's terrible. I know, I wish we had, you could like see what's in there. He's in there, he's time. Did you guys? Did you get one in? Oh yeah, you got, oh that's right. But use it really, when you're trying to get them in the tiny tap, these two thinner ones. So make one like the sugar one. Is that sugar water already in there, or was that regular?
15?
You put 15 mils? Okay, so like, use one of these for sugar,
Yeah.
and use one of these for putting them in the capillary tube. That way you'll always have a thin one, because it is a little easier.
Wait, how many can we do?
Okay, so now, 15 in 1 minute. Now you're going to take the little guy, take him off the stage. Poor little guy.
This mug moving.
You're going to suck up some sugar water. Because she's got 15 milliliters of sugar water in that petri dish, right? Okay. I'll just suck some up. You just want to flush him out. And so since he's down on this end, I would just put the water in that end. And you're trying to flush him out into the water. Ooh, see, that was easy.
Oh, there he is.
Push right out. So someone's timing. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Timing 30 seconds.
Coming out.
Sorry, I'm messing around.
Okay, well,
Someone's timing 30 seconds. I'm leaving him in the
You
sugar.
need to do the spring water, and then you need to put him in refined sugar. And you see the difference.
Probably already had 10 seconds.
Guys, we didn't count him. He's dying.
Timing piece. And then what's going to happen at the end of 30 seconds, you're going to suck him back up, get him back in the tube. He ain't going to like it. And then again, focus in and count to see what happened. If he's still at 15 or if he went up or if he went down. Okay. Right? And then you're going to get wormy number 2. Always using these right here for the spring water. And then, you can put, after he's used, you can stick them in the used worm.
We're refined sugar, right?
Yes, the middle. Sorry. He was like, I ain't going. If I can. Soak him up. It's easy to go by like one end, yeah. So again, the tube.
Oh, I know.
And hold the end when he goes in. Oh, he likes to stay at the top. You know how you did it before. Get him kind of knocked down a little bit. Use a paper towel. It's going to get sugary and sticky. Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay. Now you're ready to count again. And this time you time him for 1 minute and count how his pulse changed. Got it? And you're going to repeat that. It's just the longer you leave him in the sugar water. That's what increases. Otherwise, everything's exactly the same. You always time the pulse rate for 1 minute. Okay? Got it? Okay. You're always timing the pulse rate for 1 minute. And she's going to count. It was 15. Let's see if it goes up or down. I know sugar might not
See
get
it
it.
moving?
Yeah, when you see it push.
Yeah, remember Miss Hempel said earlier, you're supposed to one
Sure. Focus on one. Do you want him to count? Again,
Yeah,
probably should do the same counter for each worm. I mean,
Oh, okay, no. Put it down, put it down.
one worm? That's like the daddy of all worms.
I didn't do shit.
What are you doing?
Is he dead? Do you think he's dead?
Oh, don't tell me he's dead. Please don't tell me he's dead. Don't tell me that was his tail.
No, we do it.
I hope it was his tail.
You know what's up.
Okay. Should we put him on? Where'd he go? Where'd Noah go? Okay. Where did he go? What's up, okay? Okay, who wants to go?
Yeah.
You know how to do the microscope thing.
Kind of.
Okay.
Oh, it's there. There you go. Use your pipette to push him.
Here, push him down.
Push him. Ready?
Alright now.
Oh, 60 seconds, right?
Yep, you're on the 60-second one. That's okay, they're wiggly jiggly. So it takes a minute. There is no rush. We still got plenty of time. And you're on worm 2. That's good. You guys on 2? Oh, first one went fast for you guys.
Something happened.
They're worms. They're wiggly jiggly. They don't like to cooperate. Oh, there's 2 in the used worms. You must have gave up on one. You were like, he's getting an F. Oh, he fell in. Yeah.
22.
She was like, something happened.
Right.
Golly.
60 seconds.
Oh, snap.
Flush him out. Can you do it with your gloves? Yep. 60 seconds in the sugar water.
Okay, now.
You sound like somebody's grandma.
No.
Look at that. That's me.
Alright, look. Oh.
Yeah, she only puts out the grass.
Should we use another one?
Yeah.
You gotta close one eye.
Yeah, that boy is moving like crazy.
What if we had to do that?
Are you ready?
Oh.
There you go.
You gotta wait until it gets like settled.
Is he in the sugar water?
Suffocating.
Mom, I'm not ready.
I think I'm gonna win. My heart racing. Going too fast.
Moving too much.
He's right there.
Oh, no. Not again.
He's on place.
Hold on.
That might just moved all the way to the side. The part that I was looking at. No.
You just move the capillary tube down.
Put some water.
Yeah, get some water.
Oh, we got water on paper and everything. No,
There's sugar water.
not use water.
It's still spring
Sugar
water.
water.
You put
Be one with the worm. Oh my gosh.
No, but his tail is
his own little bubble.
Oh my god.
His tail is next to his head. Come on, doing too much movement.
That's, he don't like that.
Okay, he's
He
in
don't
there.
like showing you off. Oh, it's good enough. You cut him in half.
Oh, there he is.
That's how
There he
they
is.
make tubes. That's how they make tubes.
Gently.
Oh, circle of life.
Squarely.
Okay, someone else needs to do this.
Here, I'll try. Wait, oh, is he still moving?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, it's on your. He must like the
I
color
can't
blue.
get him off of you.
Get some water.
Hurry, get off.
Get some water.
Get off your finger. A bird is coming. Quick.
Saturday,
Like suck it.
Suck him in.
I can't. Suck it.
She's like, I can't.
I can't push him out.
Because it's.
Jiggle him into the water.
Yeah,
Jiggle him.
put him back in the water.
Yeah, just stick your finger in there. Like, get off
you
of
go.
me.
Is he down? Is he
Yep.
down?
Oh, is he dead? He's still moving. He's still moving. He's a little.
He's getting diabetes.
Suffering. Okay. There he is. Okay. I'm gonna do it gently now. He's alive.
Don't harass him though. You're gonna increase the heart rate.
Is he like possible?
There, he's in the paper again.
Where? No! Oh God, I am. Oh no! No, I can't
We
get
dip
him
him back in the sugar water.
back in the sugar. Do we just put him in the screen? Oh my God.
Yeah, can he be a used worm? Just like,
Oh my god, I think he's gone now.
where'd he go?
Oh my god, I don't know.
He's still on the paper. He's still on the paper. But I don't think he's moving.
My brother's birthday.
He's still alive.
Like, dude.
Is he in there?
Yeah.
One.
We're supposed to have 3 in there.
Yeah, there's supposed to be 3 in there. Where did that one go?
Oh my god, he ran away.
I have to put water in the tube for fish.
Well, that's number 3. Okay.
And then you can do a
Just 62?
about it when you're in.
Yeah, that's for 2.
I work last week.
And now we just put this on you.
What time is it?
There you go. What happened? No, he's still moving.
He's in 3 parts. What do you mean he's still gone?
Oh, well, for some, but for some reason he's still moving.
Yeah, he is. Is he? Yeah, he
Should we
is.
just take
Yeah,
the biggest
yeah.
part?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Y'all cute.
Y'all, if his heart rate is up, it's not because of the sugar water. He got cut in 3.
And his other parts are still moving. That's kind of weird. Oh, he's there. He's there. Oh, he's in there. Okay. For that one, what's that one supposed to be?
3, 90 seconds.
90 seconds. Oh. Yeah, you do on yours.
I was in Topeka. I was in Topeka and I came here. And then I went to Wilmore and she was to
Okay.
Are you guys doing another one?
Exactly.
Go ahead and get started.
Well, at least
He's just over volunteering.
I was volunteering. Take them out.
Okay.
Which one?
You put a friend in the wrong one. You was gonna put a friend in. You put a friend in the sugar
No,
water.
I only remember because this one was lighter on both sides. Yes, yes. I know this is Romeo. That's
Oh yeah.
Is that another piece of it? That's an eraser.
Romeo. Oh, Romeo the one.
Okay, this is too fat.
What was his friend's name? Whatever. Oh no.
I graduated like with 46.
She came over. She gonna graduate with an associate's degree. No, because my white dog kid's gonna graduate. They just need 60 hours, and so she's coming out here. She gets busted. She drives her car out here. And takes Calc 2 and physics. And then comes back and takes stuff and one American.
I can tell her son.
Are they gonna let you? I didn't think they was gonna let you. Because I became a freshman.
no, I'm talking about the other guy, your brother was.
So then what, you guys are just out?
Didn't he say before I was
There was no love for
And I graduated from Sumner. That's all.
You go to Sumner?
I know. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, because he was dead.
But it's fortunate.
So putting his water? Yeah, putting the water?
And then, you know,
The sugar water? Or did you guys already do that for,
This is number 4.
oh, this was number spring water. Oh, wait. So this one's supposed to be in water that's already.
The cut in half one.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready. You might want to make a note that it was a cut in half one.
Yeah, I put died.
that will matter later.
You can tell that's a little bit moving, I think.
Which one?
This one? Oh yeah, I think it is moving. I think.
Nope.
Wow, y'all killing work.
Oh, no, I did. Is that number 4?
When do we leave? Time is it now?
We have like 2:30.
Or when are we clean up?
Oh yeah, we gotta clean up in a little bit.
Yeah, we have like 6 minutes left.
No, but Lisa,
Just try to finish this one without killing it. And then that should be good data.
500. Yeah. 500 freshmen.
There was a lot of freshmen this year at something.
Somebody should, she would have stayed going from Coronado over. We would have had. It's only $4.99. No,